Hey folks, this is the real owners of MDC. We're on our way back from the Big Red Bash and we've bumped into Steve Williams at Mitchell. And turns out Steve's got quite a bit done to his cruiser. So Steve's going to be good enough to show us around the mods he's done, because I think some of them are absolutely spot on. Tell us about it, Steve.
Changed a few things on it. Took the jerry can holes out the front, put a firebox and a camp oven on there.
Yeah.
Made a couple of
Let's start with this thing.
another 100 litres of water for showers or drinking. I'll probably, I haven't touched it this time for showers, so I'm going to pump out of this into my other tank.
Oh yeah.
And then I'll just fill up out of some boil water or something like that. It'll be good enough.
I like the Visi tube here too.
Well, you could put a fancy gauge in, so sooner or later it goes wrong. That's always right.
Yeah, so you can't make mistakes with it.
Put an extra pump and an extra gas spike in the back corner. That way I can just pop my showers in the back corner here and we're all done.
Oh, let's have a look at this fridge. This really impressed me. Look at this, guys. Storage pockets at one end, and this is about the biggest fridge I've ever seen in a forward fold camper. Is it Steve and Terry Trailblazer, is it?
Well, Trailblazer is the name of the fridges. They're made on Sunshine Coast. Trailblazer is my second one I've had.
Oh, this is a custom plate for you.
Custom plate for me, my
Yeah,
wife and I. So it's got fridge and freezer and everything in it. You put run it as a freezer for ice creams or all the stuff when you're camping. It'll keep your roast cold.
How's that?
Yeah, ice cream.
Mango ice cream after your hot roast in the
We
camp oven.
found it was getting a little bit hot, so we've gone to a fan here where they just had the bracket, and we're putting in, we're sucking the air back out of it. We found they're that well sealed. I had to put two fans on the other side in the vent because the fan would stop. After a while, it would actually stop because there's no more air to suck out. So it shows you how well they're
Shows how well you adjust your locks as well.
No, I haven't touched them yet.
Doing real well. Are you running this off, you hardwired this, or you
I've
got an Anderson plug?
hardwired this into, well, it's got twin motors in this one. You don't have to have twin motors in. I'll put twin motors in for, if something goes wrong, I've still got a half fridge.
Yeah.
So ignore that, but I'll put it into Anderson plugs here. So all that's nicely done.
What'd you run, 6 BNS or 8 BNS on the cable?
Whatever the bigger one is, 8?
8.
Yeah. So the guys that are doing work down at Sangay, all brand caravan repair, they've done all the wiring on this, all the excess wiring on this. And I took the jerry can holes out because I don't need the extra fuel in the patrol. It's got enough in there to get me in trouble. So I've just put a firebox on and made these little covers so they won't fall off them. And the other side's my camp oven and all the other accessories. So I've sort of set for a couple of days.
I like the way you've used turnbuckles here to secure the fridge too. That's good, that's solid. That's not going to go anywhere. Very, very clever.
Very, very close stuff here. I'd probably say the water tank's the best thing I've done. You know, just an extra shower of water sometimes, you know. I'll say, mate, happy ride. Happy ride. Around the other side.
You mount a hot water system there, don't you?
I've got my hot water system here, put a bracket on it, I'll carry it on the box on the front there. We just pop it straight in. I put an extra gas spike and an extra water pump on the rear, just to be separate. So if I had to stop and pump 100 litres of water to put something out, I could put it out too. So
Okay.
it only takes a second.
So yeah, so we've got an extra gas bayonet and a connection in for the hot water to plumb it as well. So,
And we put the extra pump straight on top of the other pump because all the wiring's there. We didn't have to do any accessory wiring. So I can just flip these over and just pump straight out of the creek onto this one here.
right, and you put a 240 volt inlet.
240 on there.
So it just runs to the
That just runs,
standard
yeah.
charger, the 15 amp.
Yeah, it seems to keep all the batteries going, so the 3 batteries, I've only used my solar, been a bit slack, I've got all these solar fields to go, fold up ones, and I've only used them once on my trip.
Because because you've swapped to three 120 amp.
3 120s gives me an extra packing with the motor, you know, the big fridges, so that, but they're only using about the same as a 40 litre Ingle, like 240. So
Oh, that's got miles of insulation, I
the
think.
insulation's unbelievable. Yeah.
So this impresses me what you've done here. This is the tidiest modified vent I've ever seen. And if you look inside here, folks,
There's a fan either side of the fridge, which blows the cool air down, or as cold as air is outside, down the side of the fridge and keeps it nice and cool.
so we've got plenty of foam here, foam filter, and in the dividing wall, fans to draw air through here. So all the air movement from outside the camper comes through the filter, through the fans, through the other side, helps keep the fridge working at better temperatures, and out the other side. I'm really impressed. I love seeing people mod their campers, and these are some of the cleverest, most user-friendly and sensible mods I've seen. So well done to you, mate. I'm very impressed.
No problems at all, mate.
Mate, and you're checking your wheel nuts every day, aren't you?
Yes.
There you go, folks. Check those wheel nuts every day and keep your mods moving. Thanks for having a look, and this is what it's all about, getting out and meeting the people that own MDCs and are out there doing it.
Thank you very much.